welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a question answer session. It won't go for long video. I have few questions that you have asked. So sometimes I couldn't reply to your emails or comments you have sent to me. So please consider this video is reply to your questions. It's very natural and simple, so you will get the information from very basic. Okay, first question is, did you enjoy degree and did you ever do placement? Yes, I did enjoy my degree. I had two very different social work placements. Each provided me with different challenges that enable me to develop my knowledge and skills as a student practitioner. My first 90 days placement was in a psychiatric hospital in India, supporting adults and the people who had been detained under the Mental Health Act 1983 for care and treatment. I did my second placement in UK. For my second placement, I worked for 90 days with Brent Council Adults team in London. Next question. What are the best universities for social work in London? Use League Table for Social Work University Guide 2020. When finish your uni, was it easy to find a social work job? My suggestion is that be ready to go for unqualified jobs like social work assistants, care assessors or support workers, like that. Challenges you found in job. As a social worker, we have to face so many challenges. Social work is a multidisciplinary work, so we need to liaise with different multi-professionals. So working with different professionals is absolutely a challenge. Secondly, the service users can challenge you because we work according to the legislations or legal framework. So we have to make them understand or convince them. Another challenge is caseloads management. So we need to learn how to manage our caseloads by prioritizing our cases as per emergency. My advice to all social workers is that please never ever take your social work to home. Please try to avoid your case discussions at home. That's what I do because it takes lots of time consuming. This is like you are repeating your work at home. So and it gives you more stress and pressure on social work. So please try to avoid that. And social work is an ongoing process. There is no end for social work. If you are working 9 to 5, fix a time that I will finish my files within that time frame. So that will always help you. What are the benefits of social worker? It's really a good question. We have a variety of opportunities to work as a social worker. We can work as a locum social worker and earn up to 70k. Work flexibility is another major benefit of a social worker. I am a person like I don't like to sit in the office for long hours. So we have meetings or visits some days. So we will be outside. So we can do whatever we want in the meantime. Then again, we have report writing so that we can finish at home. We can work from home in our convenience. So these are the major benefits I feel when we work as a social worker. Can I take MSW in after BBA or BCom? So many people ask this question actually. In India, because I have completed BCom, so I had no issues when I applied for MSW. So you will be eligible. If you completed any degree, you will be eligible to apply for MSW in India. There is no issues from my understand. But in UK it's different. It depends on each universities. I heard that some universities has asked for BSW to apply for MSW. I don't think that will be a big issue, but you have to check before apply. What type of questions can be asked in interviews? In interviews they can ask legislation, so it's all together Care Act now, so you have to learn all Care Act. Then safeguarding with example, so you have to say a case study of safeguarding issue. Then mental capacity assessments with 5 principles. Then budget management can be asked. Do I need social work experience to apply for social work registration? It is not mandatory to have experience before applying Social Work England registration, because once you have completed your social work degree, definitely you will have fieldwork experience, placement. So when you get your transcript, these hours of work definitely will be included in your transcript, so that will be counted when you apply for social work registration. So experience is not mandatory, but at the same time you have to explain. If you are not working since your graduation for 2 years, then you are applying for registration, you have to explain that what you were doing for since your degree, these 2 years what you were doing. So you have to explain that. I have taken my social work registration straight away after my social work degree, so it was really easier for me to get my social work registration. What are the organizations where social workers can work in UK? Social workers can work in local authorities, that means councils, hospitals or hospices, children homes, and private sectors. Can you include some videos, include the routine of social work? Definitely I will do that. I will do this as a day in my life, as a next or any other video later, not now, because I am doing as virtual assessments. So we haven't started our proper assessments like in hospitals, care homes, or in communities because of COVID. So once it started, definitely I have a plan to do my day in life. Academic or general IELTS required for registration? It's academic. You need academic IELTS for registration. Do I get job after BSW in UK? You will get job, but not social worker job. You will get social work assistant, care assessor, or support worker job will get with your BSW degree. Because if you need to work as a social worker, you need registration. If you need to take a Social Work England registration, you need masters of social work. I hope this video is helpful for all of you guys. Thanks for watching and see you soon.